On this Kang episode of Keep It Reet.
What's going on? Welcome back to another episode on the Keep It Reet YouTube channel. With the triple compound RB30 VL Commodore.
World's first.
World's first.
Claiming it.
This thing is absolute work of art. If you didn't see the last video, we whipped up the world's first triple compound. Every turbo is in series, not parallel. Yeah, anyway, in this one, we're gonna take it down for the Mickey D's drive-thru. And we're gonna get put in jail while doing it.
We're all going to jail for the rest of our lives.
Potential. But it's for the viewers.
We're doing it for you. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I guess there's nothing left to do but to go for an old Sunday Arvo cruise.
There's nothing that stands out to me, apart from this GoPro.
Yeah, this GoPro might get us pulled over.
It's a bit obnoxious. Stupid. Who did this?
Sits up a bit high.
Took it too far.
It's like above the bonnet.
Yeah.
That's not on there.
Just stands out. It is what it is if we get pulled over for that. But apart from,
We did it for you.
apart from that, we're good to go.
It's perfect. If you weren't aware, we are trying to send this motor as far as possible before we put the 6-litre V8 we have to actually start the build with this car. But for now, anyway, that's enough talking.
Yes.
Let's hit the streets.
And just so you know, we're not really hitting the streets. We're actually just going on closed road. My uncle's got some property around here. He's got some nice driveway that looks just like road with road signs, just for driver training. So that's where we're going on it. And he's even got a McDonald's on his land, which is great.
It's for like people who are about to get their learners, they can go there and learn how to drive in a fully realistic road setting.
Yeah, so they can get
Very real.
the feels of going through Maccas drive-through without hitting rims on gutters and stuff like that.
It's as real as it gets. Yeah. It's almost like the real thing.
It's almost like a real thing. They even sell cheeseburgers.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, that's crazy.
We interrupt this video because it's about time you've taken in all our free content. And now you gotta buy some merch. Because we got all the stock back on shelves, no more waiting, we got all the sizes. Got the Keep It Reet graffiti, and the Miami bucket hats. So get on it, keepitreit.com. And while we're here, we're trying to work out if it's worth putting this absolute masterpiece on a dyno or not. So we want to gauge what you guys think. If you want to see this thing on a dyno, hit the like button. If it has 5k likes by Sunday, we will go to the effort of getting this thing on a dyno. So show us what you think. And anyway, get some merch. Back to the video.
There's nothing obstructing my vision at all. He's got the triggers.
Look at the Kang little button. Have you shown that yet?
No.
For erector panel, push red button.
Premium. Actually, I don't need it. Manualize this auto, do I?
We got the flame button. On the road again.
The concoction, peek out. What doing?
Your uncle's place is awesome.
My uncle's got real life traffic. It's a simulation.
It's not hard to put a VL in a green screen.
Oh! There goes the front, man.
Goes
Oh, is this smoke?
goes absolutely nowhere.
There it is.
Wait till we launch it.
It's got too much back pressure. We need to up the boost T going.
Yeah.
Out of the move.
Couple more clicks.
More clicks.
Gotta have a word with you boys. Who scratched me rams?
Oh my days!
I did not see that.
Brother!
Huh? Who did it?
It could have been anyone.
I don't understand how they would get scratched.
Yeah.
Who did it?
They don't look rash or
Not
anything.
watching them gutters, boys.
Oh! It doesn't. It's not
They're
a
my
gutter,
prized
man.
possession.
Could have been a,
Genuine VY6.
could have been a rock from towing it.
Nah, no chance.
Oh, the
we should
boys,
go
the
back.
construction workers.
Yes, sir. Oh, get it going for him.
The boys on
the tradies.
Boys on the job.
Not every day you see that.
Ready? Foot flat. Flat. Bit delayed.
It's auto, thanks.
No, it was perfect before you ruined it.
You can go right at the roundabout and then cross the road later as well.
What boots are we getting? Oh!
There goes
Jesus!
our wastegate, ooly dooly.
Not the people pleaser.
How's the sway on the turbos? Oh
Yeah,
no.
you can go right if you want to get on the main road later.
We're only hitting 10 psi. Up the boost.
It's like misfiring as well.
Nah, I think that's limiter, I think. Not bad.
Oh wait, no through road
Oh,
again.
ah! No, it must go somewhere.
Oh no.
Yeah, the boy.
The people pleaser.
No one's hating. Everyone hate, but tradie froth and they're definitely going to dead end.
Where?
Just
Chip in.
Give him a little anti-load.
yeah, give them a little cheeky annually if they're out. The boys are out the front.
So confused.
That's violent.
Yeah, that's Adam.
That's so violent.
The treat. We're gonna give the Maccas employees a little.
Oh, that might.
As they pass, the drinks over.
Oh, we got cameras on us.
Vigilante on country road. Uncle's property.
I think he pulled his daughter closer. Don't look at him, it'll rub off.
Don't look at him. He got his shirt off, mate. It's freezing. Ready?
They jumped like 6 feet.
The old stray kids on the uncle's property. If anyone wants the kit, we're going to start mass producing this kit, the VL, because it's proven.
So your uncle's farm has 2 Maccas on it.
Yeah. We didn't like that one. The uncle's doing a bit of road works. He's fixing up the testing ground, so... Oh. Yeah, mate, how you going? What do?
I feel like most of the NPCs won't actually know what they're looking at.
Yeah, they ain't real. Whoa, launch! That's kind.
Building the boost.
That was all auto.
Nah. Launch mode. Where are we going?
It's definitely breaking up around $5,000.
Yeah.
Next on Keep It Reet, taking the triple compound through an RBT.
There's no full stop. You can't not look at that masterpiece.
It's a work of art.
Yeah, it's like someone driving around with the Mona Lisa on the roof. You can't not look at it. It's art. Pure art. Priceless artwork. Should be in a museum. Oh, tail shaft.
Why can I not stop smiling?
Yeah, I know.
Premium.
Charlie Cam.
Who would have thought? We out here on the green screen, getting it done.
Very good green screen Adam has done.
Yeah, Adam's very good at what he does.
These guys are like, what in Fahrenheit? Another day, another turbo.
Shall we keep stacking them?
Almost made it. Oh, we're here.
The golden arches.
Your uncle's place is mad.
Golden arches. What the fuck?
G'day. Do you like a turbo?
That face. You get in there out. The look back. Can I just grab one extra turbo, double cheeseburger, extra turbo sauce, and add a quarter, what do you want? Quarter pounder.
Yeah.
What do you want? That it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that'll do that. Oh.
Tap it.
Didn't even realise.
Take cash or turbos? Got 2 extra spare turbos.
Oh, you pulled too far forward. No? Say she doesn't want to be filmed.
Running up.
Oh, she's telling management.
Sorry, my uncle. My uncle employs her anyway. Hey, thank you.
I don't think they were real impressed.
To the manager.
Why do people in America get such better reactions when they take their dumb shit through the
Because
drive-thrus?
they profit. They're all about it.
Oh!
Here you go. Look at the face. Ah!
Bumpy as hell.
That's so illegal. Yeah, that's so illegal.
Shame you're on his uncle's property.
Should we go main road?
No.
Oh, cheese. Double cheesy.
I love how everyone within like 100 meters.
Oh, should we get it?
Staring
Oh, you're not
at you.
cool.
Quick food review.
Yeah,
Presentation on point on the
Hang on.
QP.
Is it illegal to eat and drive?
I think as long as you got one hand on the wheel, it's alright. Look at that. That's actually quite impressive.
Got it. This video is purely food review. There's nothing else that stands out about this video.
Yeah, that's true.
This is really good.
That's premium.
Good amount of sauce, onion, pickle,
Premium.
I don't want to hear
but the meat's dry. My
Premium.
meat's dry.
My meat is juicy. They know how to cheeseburger the old uncle's Maccas. Surely those workers. Oh, here we go. Hit the boy! Jam up.
What's going on, lads?
3.
Warm up.
There you go. See ya. Light her up. What's that?
Light her up.
Light her up.
Look straight. Look straight, lads.
She was actually loving it.
Was she?
Yeah, she was giggling.
It's unheard of.
What a cheeseburger.
Yeah, that smells.
Right. Right.
Right, left, and then left again. He loves it.
No, not left, right. It's around 3,300 is when it'll pop. So if you bring it up to 3,300 and then hit it.
Okay. Not bad for 10 PSI. That actually went to 20.
Yeah.
Ooh. Should be launching.
Must be 17 pound of spring pressure in the gate. It must be too much back pressure.
Can hold anti-lurk.
Gotta send a ride. That would have been if you held it. That would have been like 17 pound.
Nah.
It makes a bit.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nah. Do I get him? Ready? Redhead over there. Got him. And Jamie Holden. Premium. Yes, sir. Let's go. We're ready. 60, we come. That J Scott tune though. That J Scott tune is on point. I wasn't vibing this video at the start, but by the end, I was definitely vibing it. I'm in love. This is the best thing to come out of VLs in Australia. Prove me wrong! I thought you were going to say a Can Gang factory. You're not wrong as well. Every car is going to have this set up now. The F250, the drift car, the Crusader, it's perfection, the RB20 AU. Anyway, barrel way. Anyway, hope you enjoyed our chaotic shenanigans. Won't be the end. Nice. 1 or 2 more videos with this absolute masterpiece. Quick thanks to everyone that helped make this video happen, aka McDonald's, owned by my uncle. Thanks to my uncle letting us use his property. Cheers, Gaz. All the stunt doubles driving cars around. Yeah, a lot went into the production of this, so make sure you hit the like button. See you next time. Next video, what are we doing? Oh! That's a lot of smoke. It's oil.
Now we're stuck in the back roads.